Hey everybody, welcome back. Ricky here. I hope everybody's doing well this evening. Let's do a quick SPY recap for today. And at the end, I'll give a quick update on my trade plan. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2025. Right now is 4:55 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY was down 0.12% today, so unchanged, and closed at a price of 687.01. So on the monthly time frame here, the monthly trend is still up, and price is still trading far above the monthly basis. Down here is the weekly. The weekly trend is also still up, and price is still trading above the weekly basis. The last few candles are consolidating, but it's still bullish overall, just a bit choppy up here. Next up, we have the daily in the top right. So the daily trend is still up, and price is still trading above the daily basis. Price is pulling back slightly after tagging the upper band area. The daily basis here is the level that decides if the long is still valid. And then lastly, the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour trend is in a pullback phase inside a bigger uptrend. The last 4-hour candle closed below the 4-hour basis, so this is a messy battleground zone. So big picture summary, the alignment is mixed to bullish because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are still above their basis, but the 4-hour is below its basis at this close. So the bigger trend still supports holding the long position, but the 4-hour is warning that whipsaws are more likely around here. So now my trade plan decision. So again, quick position update. I'm still holding on to a 50% SPY long position that I opened on Friday the 19th. So let's pull up the daily time frame here. So I enter at 680.84. Just bring that up real quick, and my stop is still set at 684.70. So just right around there. Change that to yellow. Okay, and I trimmed 25% on Tuesday, and another 25% on Wednesday, December 24th. So around up here. So after looking at today's data, I personally to just still hold on to my existing 50% SPY long position here, and I'm not adding or trimming anymore right here. As always, this is just my personal trading opinion and not financial advice. So let's just take a look. So mainly what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna manage risk with a stop loss right here, and my stop loss at 684.70 is already protective, so I'm not gonna tighten or loosen my stop here, because if I tighten my stop a bit more, it could get shaken out. So, and then the invalidation would be the both the daily and the 4-hour time frame closes back below their basis. Then I need to exit the long position, but then again I have a stop loss right here. So back to the questions, why am I still holding on to my remaining 50% long here? Well, because the the daily is still trading close above its daily basis, so the long thesis is still valid. The 4-hour close below its basis, so this is like a pullback phase. So not really a clean add zone, because price is just chopping around here. And a new short position here would not be clean either, because the daily basis is just still above its daily basis. So not adding and not trimming, just managing risk with that current stop there. So just staying patient here, because the late year price action can be choppy, and I already have a plan in place. So that's all for today, really. So thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a lovely evening, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.